Now the question number 5. A rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48, how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? Now the question number 5. I think you know that about the rhombus all sides are equal, then the side is 30 meter and the longer diagonal is 48 meter. So AC is the longer diagonal and BD is the shorter diagonal. The diagonal will bisect each other 24 and 24 meter. This angle is 90 degree and the AB is a hypotenuse. In triangle AOB, now listen, in triangle AOB is a right angle triangle. Angle O is 90 degree, then AB is a hypotenuse. So we find the side of OB with the help of Pythagoras theorem. In triangle AOB, AB square equal to AO square plus OB square. 30 square equal to 24 square plus OB square, and 30 square minus 24 square equal to OB square. 900 minus 576 equal to OB square. Therefore, OB equal to 4, 2, 3, 324, and OB equal to under root 324, that's equal to 18 meter. Now BD equal to 2 into 18 equal to 36 meter. Therefore, area of rhombus equal to 1 upon 2 D1 into D2. 1 upon 2 48 into 36 18. Now we multiply 48 into 18. 864 meter square, and the area can graze by देखो in rhombus A, B, C, D, one diagonal is AC and other diagonal is BD. Now find the other diagonal with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Then we get the OB equal to 18 meter and BD equal to 36 meter. Then we find the area of rhombus equal to 1 by 2 d1 into d2, and 1 by 2 48 into 36, that's we get the area 864, and the area can grazed by cow equal to 864 upon 18. Now divided by 2, 3, that's equal to 48 meter square. 48 meter square area can be grazed by one cow. 48 meter square area can be grazed by one cow. An umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular piece of cloth of 2 different colors, each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. Side of triangle are 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. Then how much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? First we find the semi perimeter of a triangle. The semi perimeter S is equal to 20 plus 50 plus 50 upon 2 equal to 120 upon 2 equal to 60 centimeter. Then find the area of a triangle with the help of Heron formula. The Heron formula is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now 60 minus 20, 60 minus 50 and 60 minus 50. Then 6 into 10, 40 into 10 into 10. 6 into 10, 4 into 10, 10 into 10. Now make a pair of 10. One and the second pair. 4 multiply 6, 26, 24. 24 break into the two parts. 24 equal to 4 into 6, and 4 can be out from the square root. So 2 into 10 into 10 under root 6 equal to 200 under root 6 centimeter square is the area of one triangular part. 200 under root 6 centimeter square is the area of one triangular part. Then we find the area of 10 stretching triangular part. Area of 10 triangular stitching part equal to 10 into 200 under root 6 is equal to 2000 under root 6 centimeter square. देखो, the triangle are 20, 50 and 50 centimeter. These are the side of a triangle. First we find the perimeter, semi-perimeter of a triangle. The semi-perimeter is 60 centimeter. Find the area with the help of Heron formula, and 60 minus 20, 60 minus 50 and 60 minus 50, that we get the area equal to 200 under root 6 centimeter square. This is the area of one stitching part of a triangular. Then we also find the area of a 10 stitching part of a triangular. So we multiply 10 to the given area is the 2000 under root 6. Clear? Now the question number 6. Next question, question number 7. Next question number 7 is the question related to a kite. A kite in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle of base 8 and side 6 centimeter. Each is to be made of 3 different sets as in shown figure. How much paper of each set has been used in it? Then we draw a kite. This side is 8, 6, 6 and the diagonal is 32. Diagonal 32 centimeter and the base sides is 6 meter. So we find the area in 3 parts. First part, second part and third part. This is the side, this is the square, and I think you know about the square. All sides are equal and the diagonals are 32 centimeter are given. So diagonal 32, A, B, C, D, E and F. So AB square plus AD square equal to BD square. AB is x square, AD is x square equal to 32 square. 2x square equal to 32 into 32. So x square equal to 16 into 32. X is equal to under root 16 into 32. X is equal to 4 into under root 2. So 16 under root 2 centimeter is the side of square. Then you find the area of square side into side. Now the area of square A B C D equal to side into side 16 under root 2 into 16 under root 2 16 into 16 into 2 256 into 2 that's equal to 512 centimeter square. Area of triangle S is equal to 6 plus 8 upon 2 equal to 20 by 2 equal to 10. So area under root 10 minus 6 10 minus 6 10 minus 8 10 4 2. So 4 into 2 under root 5 centimeter square and 4 to the 8 under root 5 centimeter square. Therefore, total area of paper equal to 512 plus 8 under root 5 centimeter square. Clear?